how to connect Google Analytics to Wix website. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to add your analytics code to your Wix to integrate Google Analytics. So let's get started. First, what you do is you can simply go to wix.com and you have to open up the website for which you want to add Google Analytics for. So I have opened up the dashboard for one of the websites that I have on Wix. So I have this one right here. I have opened it up. So before we get to Wix and see where we can add the code, you just have to go to Google Analytics and make sure that you have a Google Analytics account. Google Analytics allows us to get insights only Google can give, and we can get where we are getting the traffic from, what are the different regions, and what are the insights to our Wix website that we are creating. So once you create an account on Google Analytics, on your account we have a specific code given that we can add to our website. So you have the code now. Just go to Wix. I want to show you where to add the code on Wix, right? So you have the code now. Go to Wix dashboard and you will see this panel. Scroll down to marketing and SEO. All right, so here we are in marketing home, and I'm gonna scroll down to marketing tools right here. So we have marketing tools and we have email marketing, Facebook, others. You have to click on marketing integrations, and here we have Google Analytics. Discover where your visitors come from and what do they do on your site. So this is where I will be connecting my Google Analytics. Click on connect. Now set up a Google Analytics property ID, add Google Analytics. So just go and now connect your Google Analytics. If you have an account, just connect your account to your Wix and you're good to go. You will be able to get insights from Google. I hope that I was a big help to you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to the YouTube channel.